माही बख्शी, वेलकम बैक टू मित्राज यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज के वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे बेसिक बट बेटर आउटफिट्स, बेसिकली हाउ टू एलिवेट योर बेसिक आउटफिट्स, राइट? इफ यू आर समवन हु डजंट लाइक टू पुट so much effort in your everyday looks, then this video is for you. So I'm going to share some of my tips and tricks that I have learned over the years, and उसके साथ में कुछ outfits भी आपके साथ share करूंगी जो कि आप easily Myntra से खरीद सकते हो. All these outfits that we're going to talk about today are under budget, like they're not super expensive. So yeah, without further ado, let's start the video. So whenever someone says basics, my mind goes to blue jeans and white shirt. That's how my mind works, and I know that a lot of people go to the same place अगर कोई basics के बारे में mention करता है तो. Now for example, here I'm wearing like a very basic blue jeans with a very basic white shirt. So this is what basic means to me. Now we can of course elevate this outfit by wearing some proper accessories, like wearing the right belt, right jewelry, right bag. I'm just gonna give you a few examples that I like to do when I have to elevate like a basic outfit. So either you can switch your jeans, like here you can see I have paired like a statement jeans which has some pearl work going on, and my shirt is super basic. I have just paired like these little hoops with it that goes perfectly with my jeans, and just थोड़ा effort हम लगाते हैं ना तो एकदम outfit different हो जाता है. So you just don't have to put so much effort when you're wearing this outfit. Like your shirt is basic, but your jeans has some sort of statement on it, some sort of embellishment or embroidery going on, some character. Or what you can do is you can just keep your jeans very basic, which I know a lot of people like, क्योंकि वो काफ़ी चीज़ों के साथ तुम उसको पेयर कर सकते हो. Just invest in basic colors like white, black, basically solid colors, but थोड़ा सा silhouette change कर दो. Like अगर तुम्हें basic shirt नहीं पहनना है, just go for a top like this. Like this is a very like plain top, इस पे कोई extra work नहीं होगा. It's a white solid top, but the silhouette is really nice, so it's giving like you have put some effort in your outfit. And as you can see, I have styled this outfit with some hoops and a very dainty necklace. So I think elevating basics, it's just about pairing the right accessories, and थोड़ा बहुत तुम textures and silhouette में try on कर सकते हो. Second thing that I learned is that instead of investing a lot in prints, ठीक है, because see prints तुम बहुत ज़्यादा तरह से स्टाइल नहीं कर सकते हो, बट इफ़ यू बाय अ बेसिक ड्रेस, अ बेसिक टॉप और अ बेसिक लाइक अ सॉलिड ड्रेस, तो तुम उसको अनलिमिटेड वेज में स्टाइल कर सकते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर आई एम वेयरिंग दिस ब्लैक बॉडीकॉन ड्रेस. Trend alert, bodycon dresses are so in the trend right now. They look so chic. So yeah, and Myntra has like tons and tons of options. You can find all the links in the description box below. Here I'm wearing this super simple black bodycon dress. अब तुम इस ड्रेस को ऐसे के ऐसे भी पहन सकते हो. It doesn't really need that much of styling. Just pair like a good bag and some accessories with it. Now you can style it in a formal way. Just pair it with like a black blazer, like a big tote bag, your laptop bag or something. Is such a nice formal outfit. Then you can of course tone it down, tone the dress down, wear it with sneakers. Do not wear heels with it. तो तुम इसको थोड़ा कैजुअल लुक भी देख सकते हो. जस्ट गो विद लाइक सिंपल टोट इफ यू डोंट वांट टू गो विद लाइक अ फैंसी बैग. हियर आई एम कैरिंग लाइक दिस my all-time favorite bag, but you can of course switch to straw bags or shopper bags. वो भी अच्छे लगते हैं casual day out looks में. Then next I want to talk about co-ord sets, guys. Co-ord sets are so easy to style. Like उसमें ना तुम्हें ज़्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगाना पड़ता है, and they are so basic. Like this one, the one that I'm wearing right now, perfect for summer, especially with the fabric. ये बहुत ऐसा cool सा fabric है, and I've just paired some gold accessories with it, and एकदम से जैसे elevate हो गया है outfit. These were all the tips that I had today for you. Just invest in good basics. Basics होते हैं ना, वो foundation होते हैं हमारे wardrobe के, तो उसी पे तुम्हारा जो wardrobe है वो build होने वाला है. So yeah, थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा तुम उस पर स्पेंड कर सकते हो. जो तुम्हारी जीन्स है या तुम्हारी पैंट्स है, whatever you're getting, या like your trousers, they should be, you know, well fitted. That makes such a big difference. If your jeans is a little loose to you, just make sure that you're wearing like a belt with it, तो तुम ऐसा proper लगे, तुम्हें ऐसा लगेगा कि तुमने effort डाला है, but इतना कोई effort डाला नहीं होता है. Plus if you wear like a belt with your basic outfit, you know, it just elevates it. So yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I had fun making it. All the outfits are linked in the description box below. Make sure to tell us your favorite look in the comments, and I will see you guys super soon in next video on Myntra's YouTube channel.